Hi everyone, welcome to the post-market report for 7th April 2026. Here we are going to discuss how the markets traded today along with some stocks and news as well as bonus coverage of a commodity in focus. First, as always, let us take a look at Nifty. The NSE index opened in the red and traded with a negative bias during the first half, while it once again showed a recovery in the latter half of the trading session to close in the green. Nifty posted gains of 155.40 points or 0.68% to end the day at 23,123.65 as it extended its winning streak for the fourth consecutive session. Today's gains were mostly due to heavy buying seen in the IT segment that gained 2.5% and emerged as the best performing sectoral index. A small correction in crude oil prices also coincided with gains seen in Nifty. Supports can now be placed at 23,025 followed by 22,750, while resistances will be at 23,280 followed by 23,470. For tomorrow, major factors that decide movement for Nifty will be geopolitical updates along with the corresponding movement seen in crude oil prices. The RBI MPC meet outcome will also play a significant role, especially in the banking and financial services sector. For now, expectations are for rates to be unchanged. Nifty will take on further positive momentum above 23,700, while a break below 22,180 will lead to further corrections. Now, let us take a look at Sensex. Sensex gained 0.69% or about 510 points over yesterday's close and ended at 74,617. No changes will be made to the levels and supports can be maintained at 73,915 followed by 73,090, while resistances will be at 74,885 followed by 75,870. As mentioned yesterday, bullish momentum will prevail above the latter resistance level placed at 75,870, while bearish momentum will take over below 71,555. Next, let us check out what happened for crude oil prices. Volatility in crude oil prices have increased as no hint of de-escalation is seen in the Middle East conflict, which has continued to stoke the bullish momentum currently being seen. Traders may take on a buy-the-dip approach to the counter as the momentum can be expected to continue unless new supply chains are formed or if there is a cooling off in the current conflict. For now, supports for MCX traders of crude oil will be at 10,380, followed by 9,865, while resistances will be at 10,890, followed by 11,630. The energy counter is already bullish and bearish momentum will be seen only after the commodity corrects below 8,945, which happens to be a long way off. Finally, let us look at a few stocks in the news today. Shares of Swan Defense and Heavy Industries Limited hit the 5% upper circuit after the company secured a 1,500 to 3,000 crore order for ammonia dual-fuel bulk carriers. This marks a significant milestone as India's first such order, boosting investor confidence. Shares of Alembic Pharmaceuticals Limited gained around 5% after receiving US FDA approval for dapagliflozin tablets, a generic version of AstraZeneca's blockbuster drug Farxiga. The approval opens up opportunities in a large US market, supporting growth prospects. Shares of Globus Spirits Limited surged nearly 7% after the company announced the launch of its new Terai tequila. The product has received CRT certification, ensuring authenticity and quality standards, which has boosted investor sentiment. With this, we end our post-market report for today. Thanks a lot for watching. And as always, do not forget to add a like, share the video, and subscribe to our channel for stock market related updates.